Hey guys, I just wanted to show you all that I made a few changes with the wind chimes. So over in this spot, I now got the two Arius chimes over here. Gonna adjust the tubes on this one a little bit. They're a little. There we go. So yeah, they're over here now. Yeah, this one I brought out of storage. I had it in there for a while, so it's back out now. And then I also got the gazing ball chime over here. I think it looks nicer over here, honestly. I think this is a pretty good spot for it. And those look good there too, so. I got the music of the spears. I moved. Blech! Can't get my thoughts straight. I moved the music of the spears over here because, like I said in one of my other videos, I wanted it in a spot where it's kind of by itself and not, because I just kind of wanted it to, I just wanted the sound of it to not compete so much with other chimes, so I thought it would do better over here. And unfortunately, not as much wind comes through here, but hey, at least it's more by itself now, so. So yeah, I honestly like it better here. I think this is definitely a better spot for it, so. And then over here, I made a few more changes. The Chimes of Provence is in the same spot. Didn't do anything with that one. Same goes for the Chimes of Saturn. And then that random dolphin chime. The Rainforest chime is still in the same spot, but then I took the Pachelbel Cannon chime down and brought the Chicago Blues back up. It was hanging in my room before, and now it's over here. I decided to hang it next to the Rainforest chime because, I mean, this is just a recolored Chimes of Bali, so I thought the two of them would go really nice together, so. Yeah, I think they harmonize really well, so. And then that one is the Ultimate Toad is still in the same spot. And then I brought the chromatics back out. And then these two I moved, these two X-Heart chimes. So, and then those two right there, I didn't do anything with them. They're still in the same spot. So, oh yeah, and then the wind pedal chime is back out. I hung it over here. Got this hook over here that I hung it on, so looks pretty good there. Then there's both of my Corinthian bells. Again, I think this is I think I picked a good spot for them. I think they look good here. And I think they'll definitely catch a lot more wind here than they will out in the woods. Because where I have the 36-inch hung especially, this spot catches a lot of wind. And hopefully the 27-inch will also catch more wind. Then the arabesque is over here. The sarin chime I left in the same spot. That one I didn't move. Yeah, I also decided to record since the wind came back a little bit. Then, oh yeah, the chimes of Pluto I also brought back out. So yeah, that one's now over here. And yeah, I definitely noticed what Wind Chime Lover, Mr. Christmas Lover, and Wind Chime Fan have been saying about the bronze encore chimes. They just, yeah, they used to be much more shiny. Nowadays, they're more of just they're really dark in color now. I've definitely noticed that too. And you can tell that mine's an older model because, yeah, the tubes on mine are much more shiny. The one that Wind Chime Lover, Mr. Christmas Lover has definitely has that darker brown. And his also has a removable wind catcher. Mine doesn't. This one is one I got in 2015. So yeah, it's one I've had. I've had it for a while. And then there's the Grace Note chime over here. And yeah, when I had it further down there, it caught a lot of wind there, but here it catches even more. It doesn't take much to get this one to ring. I think this one definitely, I think the wind definitely picks this one up easier than any other wind chime I own. Closely followed by this one, because this one also rings a lot. It doesn't take much to get it to move. No, the wind's calming down a little bit now. Because, of course, why wouldn't it? I'm recording right now, so, you know, it's not going to do much when I'm recording. That's just how it goes. But yeah, I just thought maybe you'd all want to see this, so just wanted to make a video about it. Alright, so I guess that's it for this video. Bye.